This is a review of my 64-bit Android app, Birds of Southeast USA. It's a free app. You can find it on Google Play Store. There's no advertising. It will ask for no permissions when it's installed, and it does not require the internet to run. Instructions. Essentially what happens is as you go to each game screen, you'll get a picture, or there will be a call that you can play, and you will have to pick the matching information. Take a look at match pictures with names. So here you see up in the corner there's a picture of a bird. Here's a list of all the bird names, and you have to pick the name of the bird that you think matches that. It looks like a brown thrasher, and it was. And here we have an American goldfinch, but let's say I don't know that's what it is. I can click answer, and there's American goldfinch. I hit that, the next one comes up, and so on. You go through it. It keeps track of how many right and how many wrong you have. Of course, if you keep picking wrong answers, you can just get a whole bunch of wrongs piling up there. Okay, back to main menu. You can also match pictures with calls. You go here, tap up here, it'll play the call. Wait a second. There you go. And you have to find the bird that's going to match. And again, if you don't know the answer, that, by the way, does sound like a red-shouldered hawk. Let's see if I'm right. Where's the red-shouldered hawk? It's here somewhere. Down here. And I was right. Next one. And if you don't know what it is, okay, that's the vulture, but let's say we hit answer, we didn't know. It blinks. You pick it. Okay. Alright, and back to main menu. And there's one for matching the calls with the names. And then finally, study the birds. If you just want to study the birds, you click on one of the bird names, American kestrel. There it is. If you want to hear its call, you tap the picture, and it plays the call for the bird. When you're done listening to it and looking at it, you click the clear button, and it goes away, and you can try another one. Brown thrasher. Tap the picture, hear the sound, hear the call, and again clear it. Okay, so that is the program. As I said, it's free, doesn't cost any money at all, so download it, enjoy it. You can look for either rtcgames or look for Richard Carman on Google Play in order to find my games. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.